Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use circle command. CATIA lecture 5. Today discuss all point is circle in CATIA. CATIA all command learn easily, all explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, don't forget subscribe, like, share this channel. Okay guys, so let's see what are the circle and how to easily use in CATIA. At first open CATIA software. He want to create new sketch interface. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is a CATIA software open, and this point is a mechanical design and a sketcher, and select OK. Okay, now at first select a plane before drawing any 2D design, any 2D drawing. At first select a plane. Plane 3 plane is see here, XY plane, YZ plane and ZX plane. I select a XY plane, select a plane, then all 2D command, 2D tool, 2D tools, 2D commands is show on the screen. Then today discuss here circle point. Today CATIA lecture 5. Today discuss circle point. Okay, first point is a circle. Click a center point. Okay, this is a point, and second point is a 3-point circle. Okay, first point, second point and third point. Okay, and select another circle is, this is a center point circle and this is a another point is circle. Then both is defined. First is define, and then select this is a define. This is a mention any dimension. Dimension change, right double click and 70. Okay, and double click is a 100. Okay, and this 3-point circle dimension. Okay, double click and 60. Okay, this is a green color and this is a white color, but difference is a this point is origin defined. All point is defined, but this is a not origin defined. This is a all diameter is defined but not origin defined. This is a x coordinate, y coordinate. This is a coordinate defined, origin defined, and also a diameter is defined. Is both origin point and diameter is also defined, then all fully defined, and this is a not fully defined. Okay, next point is a coordinate. Coordinate means x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate horizontal line, y coordinate vertical line. X coordinate 100 mm, y coordinate 80 mm. Then select OK, and this is a circle. This is a, and change 60. Okay, drag here. This is a 40 is good. Okay, this circle is defined. define x coordinate. X coordinate is a 100 and y coordinate is a 80. Origin point also discuss here. Okay, next is a 3 line. 3 line is a define, then select first, second and 3 point, click here. A rectangle is okay, drag here. Okay, this 3 tritangent circle. This circle is a tritangent circle and also a 3 point arc. Okay, first point, second point and third point is a okay, this point is a 3 point arc, and next is a 3 point arc starting with limit. Okay, first point, second point and third point is a okay, this point is a okay, last point is arc. First point, second point and this is a okay, this is a arc. And all mention any dimension. Dimension is a double click and change the value 40. Dimension, this dimension is change the value 50, and dimension this change the value is 60. Okay, $20. Okay, 40. Okay, and this dimension is okay, this 120. Okay, this is also defined. This is not defined, but this 3 1 first, second and third is defined, fully defined. Then circle any design is a green color, and partial define, yeah, not defined is a white color. Then all point one by one discuss here. Circle is complete, and then CATIA lecture 5 is all circle point is discuss here is complete here. Next lecture 6 is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.